entrepreneurs on the go, an ice cream food truck. Hey everyone, this is Maria with TTPM, and here we have the Little Tikes 2-in-1 food truck. This is a food truck and kitchen in one with 40 play food accessories. Step right up to the food truck to get your hot dogs and ice cream. The sign flips over to serve up what you want. A chalkboard allows you to write out the daily specials, and a cash register and notepad lets you ring up your customers. This is a food truck after all, so a steering wheel with a working horn is a must. Once you find your ideal location, the counter flips out and order bell is ready for the day. Also included are a play soda fountain, fridge, and oven. You can store all your accessories in the bin. This food truck is a full kitchen to serve up the treats for the day. We love this cute playset that certainly keeps up with the foodie fads of the day. This toy is sure to inspire role play, creative storytelling, and hands-on open-ended play. It also encourages kids to invite friends over to join in on the fun. The Little Tikes 2-in-1 food truck is for ages 2 and up and made by Little Tikes. For more information, including where to buy and current pricing, come find us at TTPM, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more reviews every day.